All right, Sunday, waiting for my cab to come get me here soon. Charlie and I are packed up and ready to go to Portland. It's gonna be kind of a long flight. I think I've got one layover, but looking forward to getting there. Have you ever had one of those friends that, you know, you had just a great friendship with, and you kind of, maybe you feel like you did them wrong, but maybe you didn't do them wrong, but you kind of felt like you did them wrong. And then you wonder, hey, the next time you meet, how's it gonna go? Will they remember you? Will they even care about you? Well, we left Max a couple months ago. It's got cobwebs. He doesn't look happy with me. So let's see. Will Max remember me? Okay, that's a good sign. Let's lock it and let's try to start him. Max. Come on, come on. Yeah. Oh, I've missed him so much. So I'm gonna take Max a minute to get fuel, and he may need a transfusion. I don't remember. I hope not, because I'm gonna need a few days before I can find a place to get his oil changed. I would love to be able to get all the way across America. Honestly, I can't remember the last time we got his oil changed. And if I can find a car wash nearby, I'll do that. But I only have until 8 o'clock. It's 5:30 here in Portland, but with the riots and stuff going on, there's an 8 o'clock curfew, so I've only got about 2.5 hours. I'm letting Max warm up a little bit. I only got 2.5 hours to get around, get him some things taken care of, and then yeah, plan for tomorrow. It's gonna be a big day tomorrow, and looking forward to sharing it with you. Good morning. It is prep day, really. So today is getting Casper, and then I'm gonna be going to spend a night at another location and just get Casper and Max prepared. Obviously I got a lot of bags, I got a lot of unpacking to do, make sure that everything works before I decide to drive 3,100 miles across country. But excited right now. I'm going to get Casper. And there's Casper! Look at that handsome son of a gun! Look at him! We got him. Oh man. You know, if Susanna were here, I would have her hold the camera and I'd probably run up and give it a big old hug. Alright, so we're all hooked up, we're going, and I gotta tell you, it feels weird to be towing something. After almost 3 months, you kinda forget. And I've been driving my in-laws' cars, not something as big as Max. You gotta remember how hyper vigilant you gotta be. But I got one stop tonight again. I'm gonna take care of prepping the trailer, gotta do some grocery shopping, and then tomorrow morning we head out for our first Harvest Host location. Looking forward to that. And just looking forward to being in the trailer again and kind of traveling. I will say though, I mean, I just pulled out and I'm already missing Susanna, and I mean, I missed him anyway, Susanna and Corbin. I mean, it's hard leaving your family for a couple weeks, but she helps a lot. we each have like certain jobs when we're putting the trailer together, taking it down, setting it up, and I really had to backtrack and go, okay, did I do this? Did I hook this up? Oh, did I push this button? Did I pull the chocks out? You know, things like that. So I'm already missing my wingman a little bit.